The average costs for lawn mowing. If you're unable to care for your lawn yourself, or if you prefer professional services, you can expect to pay for lawn care based on several factors. Before settling on a price, get quotes from several local lawn professionals. Time frame. Whether you expect to have your lawn mowed every week or only on specific days of the month, you will likely be charged depending on the time frame. Your lawn care provider can charge after each mow, every week or once a month for services provided. Ask your provider about discounts if you pay ahead of time. Size. The size of your lawn will be a major price consideration. The larger the lawn, the more time and gas it will take to mow it. If you have a large lawn, expect to be charged by the hour or by the square footage of the lawn. For example, for every half acre of lawn, expect to pay $20 to $40, according to thelawnadvisor.com. Considerations. Other cost considerations include things such as if your yard is steep or has lots of obstacles such as swimming pools, large rocks or other landscaping. If your lawn care providers live far away, you may be charged more for travel time and gas than if they lived nearby.